Do you want to convert your Word file into a PDF without losing formatting? I'll show you two simple methods and when to use each one. Let's start with method 1, save as PDF or export. This is the fastest and most reliable option when Microsoft Word is installed. Open the Word document you want to convert, click the File tab, and select Save As option. Then choose a location to save the file, for example, Documents or Desktop. Open the Save As Type drop-down, select PDF, and click Save. Your PDF is ready to use. If Save As isn't available, use the Export option. It works the same way. Click Export, select Create PDF XPS, choose a location, and click Publish or Save. And that's it. Your document is now a PDF ready to use. Wait, if you want your PDF to match the printed version exactly, check out the next method, Print to PDF. With the document open, click the File tab and select the Print option. Then choose Microsoft Print to PDF, click Print, name the file, choose a save location, and click Save. The PDF is saved. Now take a look at this comparison on screen. Both PDFs are from the same Word file. This one is saved using Save as PDF. The page size stays the same, the layout stays aligned, and the file size stays smaller. Now this one is created using Print to PDF. The page size changes, the layout adjusts to the printer, and the file size becomes larger. They may look similar, but the Save As option keeps the document the same, while the Print to PDF option shows how it would appear on paper. That's it. You've now seen two ways to convert a Word document into a PDF, and you know exactly when to use each one. If this helps, like this video, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.